So we're out of the box and we're fully assembled. It took about 5 minutes total to assemble. All I had to do was screw these handlebars into the side. To unlatch, you just unhook this little metal latch right here. Lift the handlebars up like so. There is a wrench right here. Fold the wrench up and then pull the clip down. She is locked into place and she's ready to ride. That's how she looks. Tall scooter, big wheels, 6-inch, hard rubber. No need to worry about a puncture. Didn't have time for that. Nice rims on them too. Red scooter. And once she is charged, I will show you what she looks like when she's going.